Originally a lens maker, Kowa has long since expanded into providing cameras and other products in the world of optics. For Kowa, it's about working with their clients to create a customized solution to fit their needs, not a mass-produced one-size-fits-all product.
The focus is on ruggedization, so we are very experienced in ruggedization, and we have a little line-up for special applications for customers which we can handle and are happy to show our skills in special applications. So it will not be a mass product, but a special product.
At Vision, Kowa showcased an all-new Rotary Wiper, an easy-to-install vision system that can protect your image from harsh environments, even the ones found in machine tooling.
The Rotary Wiper enables, in a very, very challenging environment, to have the view to the object clean. Water gives you a dizzy picture, the black level is running away, then your level of your adjustments is influenced by your environment. This is impossible to make an automatic analysis of this. But if you have a wiper where things are thrown away from the lens immediately, then you always are coming back to the level and you can make an automatic measurement of this.
Improving efficiency by providing a constant, clear view of various processes. The Rotary Wiper is strong enough to handle whatever is thrown at it.
The front part is sapphire. It cannot be hit and damaged by any flying parts, hard parts. It's rotating, and the air which comes around is blowing on the front lens and blowing things which are in the center to the side, which then are split away by centrifugal force. So that is cleaning itself. It works for liquid, the milky or with particles, polluted liquid, which if the particles on the lens, then you have diffraction, you have shadowing, and then it's washed away, and they have a total different story in adjustments, so you cannot work as an automatic system. But in this part, it's always washed away, and it's ever a clear view.
To monitor machine processes in challenging environments used to mean having a set of eyes constantly watching and unblinking. Now, Kowa's Rotary Wiper can provide that constant view with no blemishes on the lens or in the picture.
There's nothing like this. It's always stable, clean, 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 clean. It always comes back to the perfect level for good and bad detection. It's non-stop 24 hours observing the system. There's no break because there's a human being working on this. It don't need personnel to observe it. It just gives an alarm, and then in case that the person come and watch it and judge if it's a stop and damage, worse to stop or not. It gives you an alarm. It's automatic, and that is very safe. It protects all the environments.
To learn more about the Rotary Wiper, go to kowa-lenses.com. You can also email Kowa at vision@kowaoptimed.com.